Yo, it's good YouTube. So in this video, I want to show you guys how you can get an apartment with bad credit or using a CPN number. So the most important thing you guys can do is have rental history. If you guys have rental history, you're literally you won't get approved, okay? The minimum credit score, most places, they will need at least a 600. Some places are more strict. Some places are more laid back. I know places that accept like a 550, some is a 650. If you try to get like a luxury apartment, you're better off getting like a 700 credit score. But anyone you see nowadays, either they get a co-signer for a 12-month lease, or they just have rental history. If you guys need rental history, you will have to go through rent reporters or credit rental karma. That's if you guys have rental history in the past, okay? If you have history in the past, you can report it onto your CPN or your social. If you guys don't have rental history at all, let's say you're 18 or you're 20, you just moved out, the best thing to do is to get your family to co-sign or your friends. If they can't do it for you, I suggest you add at least a 2-year rental history trade line. 2 years will be the minimum, but 2 years is good enough, honestly. This is from tradelines.com. So this one will report within 2 weeks onto your credit or CPN. After that, you're basically set. It will boost your score. You can apply for the apartment that you want, but you also have to make sure you make 2 to 3 times more than apartment. So sometimes they ask for these bank statements. Sometimes they go through Plaid. But if you find a good landlord, just provide your bank statements or your pay stubs, and you should be good to go. You can always edit numbers around. But I live in New York, so rent is pretty damn high. Sometimes you might have to make 10 or up to even 15K. But New York jobs pay 6 figures a year, most of them. But having rental history is very important. I suggest you guys add some or get a co-signer. The best sites to apply through is Zillow or apartments.com. If you guys know a friend or if you guys network, you can probably find an agent that can help you get an apartment or a home. Same process with the home. You need rental history, obviously. If you guys need a co-sign, you can go through tronruss.com. They have a co-signing for $1,000. Make sure you guys have your deposit, your security deposit before you move in. Make sure you guys plan ahead before you, find a place before you guys move out. I recommend at least 2 to 3 months ahead. Cause if you have a deadline and like your lease is up, you're in a bad position. Okay. You might have to get a hotel or stay at a friend's house. So make sure you guys have everything in order ahead, prep it in time, have rental history before you apply or get a co-signer. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Having rental history will get you an apartment under CPN for sure. If you guys need help applying, I can apply for you on your behalf. Hit me up on text me. It also comes with a mentorship. Visit the websites, subscribe. Peace out.